Good afternoon, everyone. Yes. Students, today I am going to start chapter number 14. The name of chapter is Practical Geometry. So you must have your compass, scale and well-sharpened pencil with you. Otherwise, you are not able to complete this concept. Fine? Now, from the exercise 14.1, now come to the question number first. The first question is, yes, quickly open your books. Draw a circle of radius 3.2 centimeter. Radius is given to you 3.2 centimeter. So here the first step is, here you will draw a line segment. You will draw a line segment 3.2 centimeter. This is your first step. In rough, draw a line segment 3.2 centimeter. This is your first step. Okay. Now, the first step is to draw a line segment 3.2 centimeter in rough. Why 3.2 centimeter? Because 3.2 centimeter is given in the book. Now, open your compass. This second step is, open your compass 3.2 centimeter like this. First of all, draw a line segment 3.2 centimeter. Now open your compass 3.2 centimeter. Now this is compass with size 3.2 centimeter. Now put your compass on your notebook anywhere. Put your compass on your notebook anywhere and start drawing circle. Start drawing a circle. Like this. So this is a circle. The point where you put your compass, जिस point पे आपने compass को रखा था, उसको आपने बोलना है O. This is center. This is center. The point where you put your compass to draw a circle, that point is your center. Okay. From center to end. This is A and this is 3.2 centimeter. Okay. This is radius. So from question number 1 till last question, we will follow the same method. We will follow the same method. 3.2 centimeter radius is given to you. So here in rough, you will draw a line segment 3.2 centimeter. After that, you will open your compass. In the second step, you will open your compass 3.2 centimeter. After that, on your notebook, anywhere, put your compass. ऐसे नहीं है अभी कंपास ऊपर रखनी है, नीचे रखनी है, लेफ्ट में ज्यादा रखनी है कि राइट में, जहां मर्जी रख दो. Okay, so put your compass anywhere and draw circle. And very much compulsory to label this. This is center, जहां पे आपने अपनी कंपास को रखा है. The outer point is A and this length is 3.2. If you will not label, then accordingly marks will be cut. In 2 marks question, half marks will be cut. In 3 marks question, 1 marks will be cut. So very much compulsory to label. इसको labeling बोलते हैं. तब भी marks कट होंगे. Yes. So centimeter is compulsory. Okay. Tomorrow I will check your notebook जिसके पास compass नहीं है अभी. Okay. Now come to the next. Yes, students, you have done. If yes, then write down in the chat box. Then I will start the question number 2. Very good, Suhana. Any other? And according to me, you have already done this concept in class 4th and class 5th also. How to draw a circle with the given radius. Yes. Now come to the second question. Diameter. Yes, yes. Yes, very good. Now come to the second question. Second question is very important question. With the same center O, the condition is given in the book. Center is same. With the same center O, draw two circles of radii 4 centimeter and 2.5 centimeter. Yes, Pavan, tell me why in this question radii word is given. What is the reason? Why radii word is given? Yes. Very good. Radii is the plural of radius. In second question, one radius is not given, two radius given. So it means we will use radii in place of radius. Yes. So first step is same. Two radii given, 4 centimeter and 2.5 centimeter. So radius number 1. Radius first is 4 centimeter. This is given to you. Okay. What is the first step? In the previous question, what is the first step to draw a circle? Yes, Jashan, tell me. In the question number 1, what is the first step? Yes, Anmol, tell me. Yes, yes, very good. In this question, you will draw a line segment of what? Very good. In this question, sit down, Jashan, pay attention. In this question, in the previous question, radius 3.2 centimeter is given. So we constructed here 3.2 centimeter. But in this question, radius 4 centimeter is given. So first of all, you will draw a 4 centimeter line segment here. This is 4 centimeter. Now, open your compass 4 centimeter. This you will draw according to the question given in the book. In the book, radius 4 centimeter is given. So here you will draw a line segment of 4 centimeter. Fine. Now, open your compass 4 centimeter now, like this. Open your compass 4 centimeter. Now, put your compass here. Put your compass on your notebook anywhere, like question number 1st. Start drawing circle. Start drawing circle. So this is first circle. Okay. And center name is given in the book. O. What is the name of center given in the book? O. If the name of center is given in the book, then you have to use the given name. Which name is given in the book? O. So here you must write O. Now, this is first circle done. Now, the question is to construct one more circle with 2.5 centimeter radius. Now, yes, now the radius number 2 is 2.5 centimeter. Now, construct a line segment 2.5 centimeter. This is 2.5 centimeter. Now, open your compass 2.5 centimeter now, like this. Open your compass 2.5 centimeter. Beta, tell me where now, where we will. Yes, yes, very good. Now, students, write down in the chat box. To construct the second circle, where will you put your compass? At the same point, or you will use one another new point? Yes, students, write down in the chat box. Anywhere? Who is writing here? Anywhere? Kanav, new point. How, Kanav, new point? Bhavya, how other point? Read your question very, very carefully. With the same center. Yes. Good. Now, given in the book, condition given in the book with the same center O, not with the different center. The condition is given in the book. In the book, the condition is not use different center. The condition is use same center. So, to construct second circle, you will put your compass at the same point. At the same point. Okay? So, here you will put your compass at the same point and you will get one more circle like this. Okay? Yes. Yes, very much compulsory to label it. So this is O, this is A, and this is 2.5 centimeter. Now, this is O, this is B in another direction. To avoid confusion, you can draw in different directions. This is 2.5 and this is 4 centimeter. So like this, you will draw both the circles. Now, two circles with the same center. Two circle but with single center. Now, students, write down two circles, start writing. Two circles with same center are called concentric circles. Yes. आपको ये ट्रू फॉल्स फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स एमसीक्यू में क्वेश्चन आ सकता है. टू सर्कल्स, नॉट ओनली टू और मोर देन टू. नॉट ओनली टू से ज्यादा भी हो सकते हैं. सो सर्कल्स इन विच वी हैव सेम सेंटर आर कॉल्ड कोसेंट्रिक सर्कल. को मीन्स सेम and centric means center. Yes. So two circles with the same center are called concentric circles. Yes. You have to know what is the meaning of what is the meaning of centric. Co means same and centric means center. Same center circles are called concentric circles. Okay? Write down, then I will start third question, and third question is very, very important. Very important question, question number third. Yes, students, have you done? If yes, then write down in the chat box. After that, I will start next question. Good. Third question. This is second now. Third. Now come to the third question. No. Now come to the third question. Question number third. Draw a circle and any 2 of its diameter. Draw a circle. Radius is not given in the book. Radius is not given in the book. So you can draw circle according to your wish. As radius is not given, so you can draw circle according to your wish. And to solve this sum, we have two conditions. And in exam, you have to discuss both the conditions. Condition number 1 and condition number 2. So first of all, I am going to discuss condition number 1. Okay. So first condition. Condition first. As the radius is not given in the book, so open your compass according to your wish. Okay, open your compass according to your wish and draw one circle. Like this. Like this. This is first circle. And this is center. This is my center. This is the center. Now, draw two diameters. Two diameters. As we know, diameters are line segments that passed through the center. So first of all, I am going to draw diameter like X. First of all, I am going to draw diameter like the letter X. Okay? So like this. This is condition number 1. So like this. The name of this diameter is AB. And the name of this diameter is CD. And you can assign a name according to your wish. Fine? Now, the next condition is join the ends of diameter. In the condition number 1, students, draw diameters like this. Like the letter X. This is condition number 1. Now join the ends. I am going to join the ends. Join C with A. Join C with A. B with D. C with B. And A with D. Join. Condition is given in the book. Now, students, tell me, what is the figure obtained? According to you, what is the name of this figure? Very good. Rectangle. Rectangle, four-sided figure. This is side number 1, side number 2, side number 3, and side number 4. Rectangle. So, in the result, you will write, we get a rectangle. Yes. Okay. This is the condition number 1. Draw two diameters like the letter X. Okay. Now, after this, I am going to discuss condition number 2. Yes, students. Have you completed this? Yes, good. Write down in the chat box. Then I will start condition number 2. And must revise all the sums today only. Otherwise, सब भूल जाना, कुछ नहीं आना. This is construction. ये तभी आएगी जब डेली की डेली घर जाके रिवाइज होगी. बाद में कुछ नहीं आना, सब भूल जाता है माइंड में से. Now, come to the second condition. I am going to discuss condition number 2. Condition number 2. Again, First of all, you will construct a circle according to your wish. Why we construct a circle according to our wish? Because radius is not given. So if the radius is not given in the question, then we will construct the circle according to our wish. Now open your compass with any size, put your compass and start drawing circle. So like this, we will draw a circle. Fine. So let us suppose this is a center. This is center. Now the next condition is draw diameters that are perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular means like this. One line segment is horizontal and another line segment is vertical. Yes, yes, plus. The symbol of plus. Perpendicular means the symbol of plus. And perpendicular word is used for 90-degree angle. Perpendicular means formation of 90-degree angle. And the formation of 90-degree angle is possible if the line segments are like this in plus. Yes. Okay. So perpendicular means one line is vertical and second line is horizontal. Yes. This is the meaning of perpendicular. And perpendicular means here the formation of 90-degree angle. और 90-degree एंगल बेटा तभी बनेगा अगर आपकी एक लाइन हॉरिजॉन्टल है और सेकंड लाइन आपकी वर्टिकल है, अदरवाइज नहीं कभी भी बनेगा. ठीक है. हाँ जी. 90 डिग्री नहीं, मैंने 90 लिखा है, मैंने एंगल शो किया बेटा. नाउ दिस इज कैसे भी नहीं लगानी, परपेंडिकुलर में ऐसे ही लगनी है लाइंस. हाँ जी, ऐसे ही लगनी है. परपेंडिकुलर में प्लस ही बनेगा. 101% आपको प्लस बनाना है. ओके. कंडीशन नंबर 1 में आपने लेटर एक्स बनाना है. लिख लो अपनी कॉपी में, नोट डाउन इन योर नोटबुक. In condition number 1, you will draw diameters like letter X. And in condition number 2, when the condition is perpendicular, perpendicular means two diameters are like plus, because perpendicular means formation of 90-degree angle. So this angle is of 90-degree. Now again, the name of this is A to B and the name of this is C to D. Method is same. Method is same, but the conditions are different. Now, yes, Nitya, unmute yourself.
मैम मैंने ये बताना था कि मैंने फर्स्ट, सेकंड और थर्ड क्वेश्चन और फोर्थ भी कर लिया.
बेटा आप तो यहाँ पे लिख रहे हो, मुझे डाउट है. यू आर टेलिंग लाइव. आपने यहाँ पे लिखा है मैम, आई एम हैविंग डाउट.
मैम मेरे पास डाउट भी था एक.
हाँ, टेल मी.
मैम मैंने वो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन पूछना था. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन मुझे समझ नहीं आया.
आपको ये क्वेश्चन समझ आया?
यस मैम, ये मैंने कर लिया.
तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन भी यही है. मैंने आपको स्टार्टिंग से एंड तक क्या बोला है? from first till end, same method we will follow in all the questions. यहाँ पे आपको कोई रेडियस गिवन नहीं है, तो हमने अपनी मर्जी से कंपास को ओपन किया. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में आपको रेडियस गिवन है 3.2 सेंटीमीटर, तो आपने अपनी कंपास ओपन करनी है 3.2 सेंटीमीटर. मेथड इज सेम. फाइन.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now join end to end. Again, same as previous. End to end. A with C, C with B, B with D, and A with D. Now, what is the name of this figure? Square. This is not a kite, Arjun. Kite is like this. Upper two parts are small and lower two parts are big in size. This is a kite. No, this is not a diamond. In diamond, this angle is not of 90 degree. Perpendicular means 90 degree angle, and 90 degree angle means the figure is a square. No. In rhombus, this angle is not of 90 degree. This is not a rhombus, not a kite, okay, not a diamond. This is a square because of the perpendicular word. Perpendicular means an angle of 90 degree, and this angle is 90 degree in square only. Okay. Yes. But no need to write. Only write down the figure is a square. So in the result, you will write the name of, we get a square. Okay. So in first condition, with letter X, you will get a rectangle. In second condition, with perpendicular lines, you will get a square. So this question is very, very important. In exam, you will discuss both the conditions. But if particular condition is given, अगर मैंने पेपर में ये लिख दिया, we discuss the condition when the lines are, when the diameters are perpendicular. Yes. अगर बेटा एग्जाम में पर्टिकुलर लिखा गया, भी सिर्फ परपेंडिकुलर डिस्कस करो, तो नो नीड टू डिस्कस द कंडीशन नंबर 1. और अगर पेपर में लिखा गया सिंपल, जैसे आपकी बुक में क्वेश्चन है, तो आपने दोनों कंडीशन डिस्कस करनी है. यू विल डिस्कस बोथ द कंडीशंस. सो इन एग्जाम रीड योर क्वेश्चन वेरी वेरी केयरफुली. ओके. नाउ कम टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 4th after this. Next, condition number, question number 4th. Now, 4th question. Students must revise all the questions today. Otherwise, आपको कुछ याद नहीं रहेगा, सब भूल जाएगा. This is construction, and for construction, practice is very, very compulsory. Now come to the 4th question. Draw any circle. What is the meaning of any circle, Jashanpreet? What is the meaning of any circle? With any radius, हमारी मर्जी है. Okay. Radius is again not given in the question number 4. So open your compass according to your wish. Fine. Yes, with the very good, Bani, without any particular radius. Now open your compass, and this opening is known as radius. ये जो हम इसको open करते हैं ना, ये हमने जितना open किया है, इसको क्या बोलते हैं? इसको radius बोला जाता है. Yes. Now open your compass with any radius. Now draw a circle. This is circle. This is center. And you will take that point as a center where you will put your compass. बेटा मैं बोर्ड पे कर रही हूं तो मैं कहीं पे भी मार्क लगा देती हूँ, क्योंकि मैं प्रैक्टिकली तो कर रही हूं मैं भी, बट मैं आपको रफली आइडिया दे रही हूँ. बट आपने अपनी नोटबुक पे सेंटर किसको मार्क करना है? जहां पे आपने कंपास की टिप को रखा है. Yes. So in your notebook, the point where you will put your compass, where you will put the sharp tip of compass, that is your center. Fine. Now, this is any circle. Now the question is, mark 3 points A, B, C such that A is on the circle. You know how to mark A is on the circle? Come here. Now draw and mark here. A is on the circle. Assign name. This is A. Assign name A. Very good. Arjun, come here. Very good. Well done. Clap for him. B is inside. Very good. B is inside. Yes, Pavan, come. Well done. What is the meaning of exterior? Exterior. No, this is inside. Exterior. This is on the circle. This is on the circle. This is interior, means inside the circle. What is the meaning of exterior? Yes, very good. Outside, anywhere. So you can mark according to your wish. Well done. अगर पवन ने इधर मार्क किया है या अर्जुन ने इसको इधर मार्क किया है, तो इट डजंट मीन कि आपने भी इधर ही मार्क करना है. अपनी मर्जी से. ऑन द सर्कल मीन्स ऑन द बाउंड्री. इंटीरियर मीन्स अंदर, एनीवेयर. ओके, जैसे मेरा दिल कर रहा है भी मैं इसको यहां पे मार्क करूं, ठीक है. अब जशन बोलेगा नहीं मैंने इसको इधर मार्क करना है. सो दिस इज योर विश. There will be no compulsion. Anywhere. Interior means inside, anywhere. Okay. So similarly, exterior means outside, anywhere. अगर आपने इधर ड्रॉ करना है इधर करो, आपका मन है हमने जी नीचे ड्रॉ करना है इधर इधर कर लो. So keep in your mind what is the meaning of on the circle, what is the meaning of interior. Interior will indicate inside, in interior, in inside. Yes, kahin pe bhi, anywhere. And this is interior and this is exterior. So like this we will solve the sum. Now my question is for Rishita. Rishita, unmute yourself. Rishita, are you hearing me? Bhavya, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Bhavya, if in the question diameter is given to you 10 centimeter, fine. Then tell me, how will you construct a circle with this diameter 10 centimeter?
Ma'am, then we will take the radius of 5 centimeter.
Why?
Ma'am, because diameter, ma'am, radius is twice the diameter.
Radius is twice the diameter or diameter is twice the radius?
Diameter is twice the radius.
Yes. To construct a circle, we need radius. If radius is not given, then first of all, we will construct radius by applying the relation. Radius is diameter divided by 2. So 10 divided by 2, this is 5 centimeter. And very much compulsory to show this thing in figure. If diameter is given, then you have to show this thing in figure. Radius is diameter divided by 2. So 10 divided by 2, you will get 5 centimeter. Fine. Yes, Rishita, you are unmute.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Rishita, tell me what is the meaning of concentric? Co and centric.
Ma'am means same center, on same center.
Yes. Co plus centric, no? Co plus centric. What is the meaning of co?
Ma'am, same.
Same. In maths, whenever you will observe this co word, co means same. So co means same and centric means center.
Center.
So any two or more than two, not only two or more than two circles with the same center are called concentric circles. Very good. Harshia, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Harshia, what do you understand by the term exterior?
Ma'am, exterior means outside
Interior means,
and inside.
and on the circle means
Ma'am, उसके ऊपर.
fine.
Oh.
If radius is not given, then how will you construct a circle? If radius is not given in the book, then tell me how will you construct a circle?
Ma'am, then ma'am अपनी choice का ma'am.
Yes, very good. If the radius is not given in the book, then we will construct a circle according to our wish. So bye bye. Rest of all we will discuss later. Fine.